In this episode, I'm decorating for fall. So if you want to see what I did and how it turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget, and today is my 5th annual, or is it 6th annual Fireplace Decor Challenge. Now all I require you to do is decorate your mantle or your apron, or it's called a heath, I think that's what it's called, the other one, and also the top of a china cabinet, a bookshelf, a coffee table, or a bar, whichever you have to participate in this collaboration. I just want everybody to have fun. That's all. Just have fun. And I also want to thank my wonderful co-host, Courtney of Amethyst Adventures. Now she always does her fireplaces so gorgeous. So I was glad she agreed to co-host with me in this collaboration. Now I'm looking forward to seeing what each and every one does in this collaboration. Now I will have a playlist link down below in the description so you can check out the other participants in this collaboration. Now, I hope you have fun doing this. I'm just going to jump into my video. See you at the end. And let us not forget the twist. The twist was to add a deer. So I'm going to add one of my acrylic reindeers. It's a deer to the fireplace. So now the thicker garland that I put up, it was ordered from Walmart a few years back, and I added some garland I picked up from Walmart on it to make it thicker. And I also added this bean garland that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think maybe 2 years ago. Added that. I added some picks here from the Dollar Tree. Then I added the fall sign from Hobby Lobby, along with a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. And then this came from Hobby Lobby. And then on here, I added some more picks here, and at the end, those from the Dollar Tree. And here's some more of that bead garland from Hobby Lobby. I have 2 of them. So the other one is connected here, and it is wrapped in some of the garland from Walmart. And then I added the white pumpkin here that came from Hobby Lobby a few years back, and 2 of the Dollar Tree scarecrows. I've had those for a while, and with another burnt orange pumpkin here. And then I added the 3 white candlesticks that were thrifted, and the candles in them came from the Dollar Tree a few years back. So everything in this stash I already had, except for the 3 new Walmart garlands that I added this year on the end, because I did a whimsical look for my fireplace. So here's an overall look of the mantle completed. I wanted this to look like the wind was blowing and blew the leaves. That's why I did the garland that way, and I think it came out pretty cute. So let me know what you think of the final look of my fall decor fireplace. So let me know what you think down below. I love reading your comments. Don't forget to go check out the other participants. I'll have the playlist listed down below. And as always, you be blessed, and I'll see you in the next episode.